Let's begin this by creating a hexagon using part design. We'll adjust the length and make it symmetrical with respect to origin. Now as the file has been saved, let's create 4 datum planes, each parallel to the hexagon and at different locations. Our sketch needs to be copied and mapped over the datum planes. Once it's done, we can hide the datum planes by pressing space. Now let's make each of them symmetrical with respect to the axis and adjust their side length. Also, I'm giving them different angles to exhibit the twisting effect. Once it's ready, the vase can be constructed using loft function to add section. As you can see, it looks like a vase but not much decent. So I changed certain values to make it more realistic. So as we have this now, I'm filleting all the 6 edges and giving thickness to the top face makes the vase hollow and complete. So here we have our twisty vase.